Okay guys, welcome to another long-awaited unboxing. I finally can get back into the collecting aspect of the hobby. So here with my little helper, we're gonna unbox this and we're going to, well, quick look at the box. Nice job from the postal service here, but hopefully there's no damage inside. So let's get ready to open and see what's inside. Go ahead. All right. No. Careful with it. No. Okay, careful because there might be things inside that can break. Okay. And open this and this. We don't have to rip it. Okay. All right. Let's start for a couple of things here. Ooh. Look at this. And this guy, it is okay, this guy is a Ninco Mitsubishi Pajero, or sometimes known as Montero. This is a Dakar 2006, if I recall correctly. So let's put it aside. There's another one, as you can see. It's not a new or a recent release. So we got this guy. Okay. And this is a Formula One, the Matchbox SCX series from a few years ago. I cannot remember when was this release. This is a 95 Minardi, driven by, I believe it was Lamy and Martini, on the 95 year of the World Grand Prix. So all right, so that's number. And one last, ooh, look at this. It's another Ninco, another rally car, and this is the Mitsubishi. This is GIGI Galli's car. So let's move this out of the way and move this out of the way. Just gonna put these guys over here. So yeah, these are brand new seal. All right. Okay, so this will be part of my growing collection, hopefully, of cars, mostly on the rally side of things. And well, I will open the boxes, do some testing on the track, show the insights in a later video. And for now, well, took a quick peek. The little, this is a race car, but we'll see more later. And a Formula One, which is the first Formula One in the collection, and two more rally cars that will be showing later. All right, I'm gonna stop for now here. Thanks for stopping by, and I will do more in-depth videos on these vehicles and more to come. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.